girl Talia Barbie. What up? Okay, so today really has been a terrible rainy day. Dark gray skies, rain, cold just happening outside all day today. Lucky for me, I got the day off, and my roommates were gone at the same time at their own jobs and everything. So I literally got the apartment all to myself, which is either a really great thing or a really bad thing. I don't know. All I can say is that I had a really nice, relaxing time at home. I got to eat whatever I want. I got to watch whatever television shows I wanted to watch. I got to just relax. I got to re-energize my mind, my spirit, everything. So tell me, what do you do for your rainy days? Do you do something productive, or do you just spend the entire day in a coma state of junk food and pamper? So comment, rate, subscribe, share with your friends. I want to know what we can do to make the next rainy day even better by collaborating ideas. So if you have an awesome idea for what to do, whether it's something that will help your mind grow, or if it's something that will just make me become even more lazier than I am, I want to hear from you. This is your girl Talia Barbie. Until next time, peace out.